Smell it. See? It's fresh. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Chinedu Honu. Good to have you today. If you're having a cold, cough, or sinuses issue, this drink I'm going to show you step by step how to prepare will take care of it and you get instant relief. We have honey, lemon, and ginger root. So what we're going to use to prepare this is a bottle of water. Most times what matters is how you prepare this drink. So measurement is very important. We're going to be using 16.9 OZ of water, 4 spoonfuls of honey. Honey contains antioxidants which help to rebuild your broken cells. Lemon is rich in vitamin C which helps to fight germs and diseases in your body. Ginger root contains anti-inflammatory properties which also help to take care of every inflammation in your body, and it also contains antioxidants. So first thing you're going to do is to wash this very well. I've already washed it. I don't usually peel off the back of my ginger because I need to get every ingredient that this ginger has. So you have to cut off the part that you think that is not good. Cut it off. Then you slice it. Fresh ginger. I'm going to blend it with this water, then you pour it in a pot. Cut your lemon, you squeeze your lemon in to get the juice out. I usually do this with this squeezer. Get the juice out. The second one. Make sure you get everything out. You can see the ginger is ready. So what you're going to do, sieve the ginger into your bowl to get the juice out. You have to be careful because it's really hard. I normally use my spoon to get the juice out. Once that is done, put your honey. This is going to take care of your sinuses, your cold, and your cough. It will also help to build your immune system. You get everything out. Make sure everything is out. Then you stir it. And drink half a cup. Your drink is ready. You can take half glass every morning, half glass cup every night, and I'm guaranteeing you that your cough, your cold, and your sinuses will be gone. Like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Hope you share this drink remedy to everybody you think that will use it to get relief. I've been using this for over 5 years and it has been working perfectly for me. Thank you and bye-bye.